I'm Arrow from Zero, and as you know, we go to a lot of the major motorcycle rallies across the country, so I see a lot of stuff, see people forget to bring a lot of stuff, and so I thought it'd be cool if we threw together a quick guide for you of common items that you may forget or things that could come in handy. So the first thing I've got is the rain gear, of course. This fits nicely right on the bungees of the back of our dry force bag here. Then you can open up, fill inside, and you'll notice this is actually our cooler, which can be used as luggage on your ride out there. And then when you get there, you can go ahead and fill it with ice and a bunch of drinks. Next thing I've got is a tool kit, which you want to make sure you have the basic tools for your bike. Some Allen wrenches, definitely a screwdriver to get the seat off, because we see commonly batteries die often, and if you aren't able to get the seat off, it's pretty difficult to get a jump. Which brings me to the next thing, which is the portable battery jumper, which is nice because you can start your bike if it dies, as well as have USB ports to charge your phone during the ride if you don't have one of our cyber chargers or something like that to use. We've got a tire plug kit, so we see people get flats very often. You can run over a nail or screw. This makes it easy to fix. Once you've got your tire plugged, you can go ahead and use a portable air compressor. This is always handy to have, especially for getting back on the road, or even if you have airbeds or something like that in your campground you want to inflate. Got the Hurag face shield, Zero branded. These are nice when you're running across those wide open spaces. It gets windy, dusty. Just put this up over your face and it'll save a lot of that from hitting you in the face. Got zip ties, so you know these things vibrate quite a bit, and so you can have things coming loose, and sometimes can be used to use a zip tie to just get it back together quick. Got sunblock, of course you want to have that on when you're doing those long rides out in the sun. Got a Bluetooth speaker. This is always great for being at the campground or wherever you may stop and you want some music while you're just hanging out, having some drinks. Got the first aid kit, that's always essential. So I see a lot of people get burnt on the leg, something like that, so then at least you've got some gauze to wrap it with, or if you get a small cut or something. And then the last thing, I always forget these, but some clear glasses for nighttime riding, because yeah, that's commonly forgotten, and then you'll have to pay like 50 bucks at one of the street vendors to get just a cheap pair like this. So I think that's about all I got for you. You can see this is only about 1/3 full with all this in there, and so you've got a lot more room for other stuff you want to bring. If you're going to be out at Sturgis, stop and see us at Black Hills Harley Davidson, and you can see the full line of dry force bags at zero3d.com.